Hello and mabuhay and welcome to Uncle Mike's Drawing, and for tonight's episode we'll be drawing level 40 Hatzegopteryx from Jurassic World the game, and this is how we do it. This is where I will base this drawing of mine of Hatzegopteryx. Yes, this is level 40, so I'm starting off with sketching. For me, this is one of the easiest drawing that I've ever made here in this channel, and you can try this actually at home. The coloration is so simple, and you know the parts of this pterosaur is so easy to sketch. That's why. So I'm aiming to just draw half of this board. So enjoy the rest of the video, and we will see you on the announcement of our Dynamaster Challenge winners in a while. Bye! Before we continue with our drawing and painting, here are the winners of our Dynamaster Challenge. Thank you for continued support. We
Bronze
have
medalist,
Kaim sa Provincial
silver
Mode,
medalist,
Samuel Chong,
and gold
Cretaceous
medalist.
Prince.
Congratulations,
Congratulations.
And for those of you who want to join, so easy, just type Avatar Universe. Don't forget the universe. Then go to the community link for you to see our latest post.
Continuing on with our drawing. As you can see, I'm just doing some finishing touches on this one. And we're doing some black detailing on its face and on its eyes. In a while, you will see the finished drawing. But before that, of course, let us not forget to put a sign on it. Okay? Let's sign Uncle Mike's drawing. Love, love, love. I love you guys. I love you, my friends and fans here in Ibita Universe. And this is our finished drawing. Yay! And this is Cretaceous Bricks, our Dynamaster Challenge champion for 2022. So, did you see the resemblance? Yay! I'm so happy about the outcome. And guys, if you have any other suggestions, please do comment them down below. I do read them up. And also, your honest comment will be much appreciated. Okay? So, that is all for now for Hatzegopteryx drawing. And please don't forget to subscribe on our channel. Please, please, please subscribe. We're a few subscribers away from reaching 5,000. And also subscribe to our pet channel, The Adventures of Fire and Azure, our food cooking channel, Tito Mike's Kitchen, and our main dinosaur channel, Extinct Bricks, of course, by Alan. And that is all for now for our video. See you again next time. Bye bye. This is your Uncle Mike. Bye. Thank you. Bongga.